Yeah, good morning. This morning we're going to talk about training. This is the module that allows you to keep track of training that you're doing. Um, this is geared towards training of the volunteers that are in your thing. So it might be guiding coalition training. It might be any of that kind of stuff that you might be doing. Anyway, when we see the manage screen for training, you'll notice that we have these different things. So we've set up an Ally 101 training class here. To create a training course, you can just click the training course, enter the course name, course type, whether or not it's required. We're not really using this field yet, but we may get to the point where we do that. Anyway, once you've set up your course, then if you select the view key for the course, you can see that you can set up a training schedule. So let's go in here. We've set up the training schedule so that these are taught on these particular days. We can create a new day where we're teaching it just by pressing the schedule, giving it a date, a time, an instructor, any notes that you want to keep. And then from the training schedule on a particular day, like let's say this is 3/10/2014, then we can also manage training attendance. So here, to create an attendance record, we put they attended, they completed the stuff, and who the particular volunteer was that did this. So let's say this was Louisa Barcalo. We create it. We create another one for the next person they attended. They completed this. And the volunteer that did this was Ken Balazer. Okay. And you just keep doing this with your training attendance. And then in any day, then you can see for any class who attended that class. The nice side, part about this is knowing when you're talking to volunteers. Ken Balazer, we just created a record for him, so I'm going to go to his view screen and view training. And you can see that he attended Ally 101 on this date. So this allows you to keep track of everything that you've been doing training-wise. We keep track in Albuquerque of orientations that we've done, Ally training, that kind of thing. So this is how you can use this module and keep track of your training. One of the future enhancements that you'll have is the ability to have a link from your website, which allows people that are in your system as volunteers to self-register for training, so that they can just do that off your website as opposed to you having to keep track of that. So that's something that you'll see in a future release of the software. So anyway, enjoy using this module, and we'll see you again soon.